Hello everyone, I hope you are good. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows 11 25H2 just for free. Okay, this is for the educational purposes. So let's get started. So we're going now to open our browser. So you can open a browser you want. I'm going to open Google Chrome. I'm going to open Google Chrome and look for the Windows. Just type Windows 11 download. Okay, after that we're going to click on the first link here. Just scroll down till you find this download Windows 11 disk image ISO for 64 devices, right? So now we have Windows 11 ISOs, so we're going to select the version. This is the version we want and go confirm. After that we're going to select the product language, so make sure that you select the language you want. English United States on my side, so I'm going to just go confirm. After that they said that we have 64-bit download, right? So I'm going to click there, and you're gonna see that the download going to start, right? As I have already mine downloaded, so to save time we're going to proceed forward. So I'm going just to cancel it. Okay, and we're going to proceed. Here I'm going to create, once you download it, and as you go, we come here at the you just right click and create a new folder. We're going to call it Windows 11, okay, 25H2. Okay, so after that I'm going to now to see the downloaded ISO file. So it is mine, right? So I'm just going to right click, okay, and open with, I'm going to open with Windows Explorer. Okay, open. As you can see guys, what I'm going to do is just I'm going to minimize first this one and open this. Then I'm going to click Windows and left back and go this side, and we're going to split it like that, like so. So I'm just going to copy this and to this one, so you can do the same, right? Okay, great. So now I'm going just to remove this and we're going to proceed, right? And what I'm going to do is that I'm going just to right click here. I'm going to try if it's going to run, okay, without any problem. So run as administrator. Yes. Great. So wait, let's go next. Okay guys, this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. As you can see, the PC must support TPM 2.0, right? So this is not a problem, right? We're going to fix it as quickly as possible. Okay, sorry, I'm going to just close this. Okay, now we are here, right? So now what we can do is that we are going to see the folder called sources, right? So now open this, and when you just scroll down, you're going to find a file called setup prep. So this is what we're going to use, right? Setup prep.exe, right? So what we can do is that we're going just to copy this path, right click and copy it, and here you're going to type cmd and run as administrator. Yes. Here you're going to type cd and Ctrl V to paste the path Now what you're going to do, you're going to type setup prep .exe space / you just say product space, then we go server, enter. Okay, I'm going to change this download updates, so I'm just going to not right now, I'll update after. Next. Great guys, and so we didn't have any error. Okay, if you see this, means that everything is good. So let's go now and go accept. Okay, if you choose what to keep, so on my side I'm going to keep files, settings, and apps. Okay, it depends on the option you want, right? So, and go for it. You just choose anyone here and go for it. On my side I'm going to stick to the first one and go next. Right, so everything is ready to install, right? So then I'm going to go install. As you can see guys, the installation have started. Okay, leave it till it finishes. As I said, your PC will restart several times. This might take a while, so as I have already installed mine, I'm going just to cancel it. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that like button, and please comment any idea you have, and also if you are having problems installing this on your PC, right? So this is crucial. So this is this is the best way to install Windows 11 25 H2. Okay, so I will see you in the next one. Bye.